Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best air horns. GAMPRO 12B 150dB air horn. High quality chrome plated zinc trumpets overall. Newly upgraded compressor, all copper coil vacuum chrome plating, fast responsibility. GAMPRO customized safety relay, no brake design, easy to install. Super loud 150 dB sound cannot be ignored. Wire the positive lead to the relay directly from the battery and do not draw power for the compressor from the OE horn circuit. Carfka Air Horn for car. Upgraded interior structure can produce up to 150 dB pleasing tone for any weather condition, which makes it a good safety companion while driving. Bigger coil, better material, stronger air pressure give the air horn louder and more clear warning to others' driving actions. This dual trumpets air horn works on any 12B system vehicles, fit most cars, SUV, motorcycle, yacht, boat, off-road vehicle, buses. FARBIN compact air horn. The train horn can produce 150 dB of strong sound. When you drive, no one will ignore the sound. Greatly enhance driving safety. The air horn is made of high quality material, which ensures durability and service life and can work in various temperature environments. You can install it manually with the harness package we distribute. Wiring instructions with color diagrams are attached. Super loud dual trumpet air horn. It is made of high quality chrome plated zinc alloy material, which can ensure air horn durability and longevity. It can work in a variety of temperature environments, no matter wherever you are. The air horn fits on any 12-volt DC power vehicle. 12B dual trumpet air horn kit will produce a powerful 150 dB loud tuned train sound that can't be ignored. XTEILC train air horn. The air horn is made of high quality zinc material and chrome plated metal to ensure maximum strength and durability. In addition to carefully selected durable materials, we also endow it with weather resistance to ensure maximum resistance to various weather conditions and durability. It is perfect for any truck or van owner who wants to bring noise in a way that stands out in sound and appearance. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.